All right, welcome back. Yes, very soon our guest going to enter the studio. But you need to hear this particular story. Now, after 20 days, after he don't lose the papa, five-star music act will be a song. He don't do it in. He don't rewrite some lyrics of his song will be story. Everybody listen to my story. Oh. Now, he don't rewrite this particular song to suit his stepmother as in give his father a befitting burial for inside Warri Delta States. Now, born Harrison Tare Okiri, Harrison also used the burial rites to reconcile with his stepmom, where be Tony Okiri, where be the singer, where the singer talk say, at that time, the war where them get not be here. The kind punishment, the kind treatment where the woman treat her, said it not be here. Now, he actually come outside talk say, Mr. Song, the singer, they say he loves to be... He loves me that they call him Mr. Song. He come outside talk say, I sang the earlier version of this song out of anger, but today I don't assume the position of a father and a husband since my father not there no more. And I don't realize, say, my stepmom actually used those extreme correctional measures because, say, she loved me. And because I have realized my mistake, I did do this version of the song to tell the world how much my stepmother actually loved me. Now, waiting have his song actually come outside talk during by the time we then bury his own papa May 2nd, 2015. Now, I want to ask you this particular question we concern stepmothers of 18. Now, why be say, I know say normally people would expect say why be say stepmother they wicked, now we go ask. But this time, why be say when stepmother they use some kind of correctional measures, they correct you or they put you in the right direction, it always turns as badness. Yes,
strong, right?
I know.
It twisted.
I know.
Okay, but for me, some of them, their correctional methods, they bad. Because no be correction, some are just pure wickedness.
Okay.
But for the ones where actually they plain, maybe say, okay, yes, then they actually try to correct the pikin. Number one, it did different for pikin where actually meets in your mama. And then maybe the mama pass, or maybe the mama can carry herself waka, and then the stepmother can take place of mama. That pikin go everly one revolt initially, because the way where the pikin there with your mama go they different from waiting the stepmama won't teach him. That now one. Number two, the pikin go see him like say, okay, this woman won't come carry my papa from me. Now, normal human feelings and instincts. Pikin just, because, of course, when the woman come, some of the attention, maybe if the papa and the pikin don't date for a while, and then later, now the stepmama comes, some of the attention will be, they shower on the pikin, it go move and go the woman, and the pikin go look and say, before this woman come, well, if I ask Pale for 100 naira, they give me, now when she come, if I ask her for 100 naira, go give me 30 naira, say, he guys give the woman 70 naira, you know, all those kind of things. So the pikin go get her for brain, say, oh, this woman actually wicked woman, in fact, I winch. Now she can't spoil my blues with her reggae. Now she do this one, now she do that one. And then because of the kind of mentality where we get for this part of the country, where we say they see different movies, where we say when you see stepmama, you know, say, this stepmama now always winch. For inside Nigerian film, you know, ever watch any movie where we say stepmama day and then she actually did good and kind and everything. But they're very happy say Harrison don't see him in a different light. Yeah. They say they ever did too late to correct your mistakes. And then he go see him say, okay, all those things the way the woman do for him when he day young, he actually don't shape him to waiting he be today. He don't help him. So
yeah, but for me, I would say, you know, when Pekin be your own, you get the way you go talk to Ram before you go fit us in our wickedness. Some, if they get their own children there, or if the woman even bring her own Pekin come inside the house, when she won't talk to her own Pekin, she go sit down close to her and talk to them. Then when you want to talk to the other one, Brian, stand for there. Where you they come from? Go there, go there. You understand all those things. The way where your own takes sit down, allow that one sit down too, so that for in mind, because children, now the picture where you give them, because we know they think well that time. We know they think. I actually grew up with stepmom, but you know, say if anytime I get into it, they worry me, I'll go tell my stepmom, because my mom know they give ear. She know they won't listen to waiting out. But my stepmom go first sit you down and say, I know this one where you come today. Tell me. And you know, say if you lie, I will beat you. That if you just say I'll beat you, when they try to shape in the story, you go say no. Talk and well. I'll say, okay, see how see happen. She'll say, but you know, say you did at fault. But no worry, I'll go help you talk to your mama. But you saved the at fault. Then when she won't talk to my mom, you get one day where I catch her, she go, they shout. You won't kill her. You won't kill her favorite daughter. Me, they happy. But she go, my mom, then later she could see me, they talk to her like that now. You understand? So thank God for some, and some they're very wicked. We go lock pikin inside cupboard. Say
I tell you,
because
some
pikin no do wetin e suppose
correctional
do.
measures wey like wetin you take talk, some correctional measures actually dey good, but we dey see am as bad, in the sense that it's if the pikin sef dey feel am as bad o, e dey really do man sef dey beat am, do everything in her mind. She said in her mind say she dey do bad, but e good. Why? Tomorrow the pikin go grow up be better person. Go say, this woman no know say she do me good, all this thing she say she dey do me bad. So at the same time, when they say correctional measures they dey bad, well, we dey, because we don dey used to all the my daughter. You get one of even this Nollywood movie we dey talk about. She be girl who in her mind she dey feel say she dey do the girl bad. She no teach the girl how to cook. She no teach the girl how to do anything. She everything all her she just do wickedness. Okay, time for her pikin to marry. Pikin enter her husband house because she goat feces. Now the teach the other one say they use that for Maggie. That one said no. Go carry goat feces put inside soup. Say na spices. Come put fish, put everything. You know when you catch fish, she don't wash the fish, she don't do anything. Carry the fish, put. Carry goat feces, put. Carry water, pour. Put her for fire. She dey cook food.
She not test them.
She dey cook. She know that. You know now waiting the stepmother. They feel say she dey do wickedness to the other one. That pikin come.
Now her own pikin.
Exactly. How pikin come pick her. Enter husband house. Do am. So she no dey around. By the time she come because the pikin already dey serve the husband. So all this thing I don't dey talk. That I dey try make us understand. So even wetin we dey think say dey bad,
They bounce to them.
One thing why I will just talk to stepmothers where they out there, no, remember tomorrow. Because tomorrow, you want make that person where you they do badness. So when the person don't become president, make the person remember you. Or make the person not remember you. Just put on for your mind. Say that person where you they do maltreat today, or that person where you they. Yes, if you want to give correctional measures, give them to both parties. Not be say when your pikin do bad thing, you go drown to come body come pet am, and the step pikin start to beat the pikin like say tomorrow not they. No. If you want beat them together. Beat them the same way. Where
Correct
you want.
them
I'm telling you, correct them the same way because tomorrow always day. Tomorrow, remember I said tomorrow actually day there. But we're going to need to buy a small break again. When we come back after this break, final, our guests go enter inside the studio. Not go anywhere, I beg.